Hey guys, Matthew here. In this video we're going to talk about block instancing. Not an overly exciting thing to talk about from my perspective, but so say you're modeling a theatre or a classroom or something that has like a lot of chairs or like a lot of anything, it doesn't matter. So RHINO is very good, and most software is very good at dealing with complex things, but not very good at dealing with a lot of things. So this is where this idea of the block instance comes in and can be quite a useful way of working through your projects. So I'm going to make a few boxes. Take this one. There we go. Make a box here and make a box here. Right, so I've got 3 boxes, okay? And I'm going to type block. And you'll see the command line asks me to select objects to define block. I'm just going to select these 2. Then it'll ask for a base point for the block. So I'm going to just choose this corner here, and it'll ask me to name it. So I'm going to call my first block. Description: a bunch of pointless boxes. Okay, so now I've got this block instance. So one block instance selected. So I've got that, and I can type cell block instance to just double check that that is one. So the importance of a block is that now I've got that, I can go and insert more instances of it through the file. So I can go to my first block here, and I can say OK, and I can add a whole bunch of them. So file, insert, OK. I can insert them wherever I want, right? So now picture that I've got this, which is just boxes, but assume that they're like chairs or something that you have a fair few in your file, and I forgot to actually put the back on the chair or something, and I need to edit all of them. So you would usually have to go around and edit every single one individually, or array them around again and make that edit. But with block instancing, you can type block, and all the block methods will come in, and we can go to block edit. And we've got my first block here in the file, and we can change where we set the base point, and we can also remove objects and add objects. So if we reset the base point to say here and go OK, you'll notice that everything has just shifted over because that referencing point has changed where everything is in relationship to that. So going back to the block edit, we can also add objects to it. So we can select this and go OK. And when we OK out of this, now all the instances have that third block in there as well. And I can equally remove objects from the selection. So say I don't like that one because it's quite thin, I can remove it, and then it'll be gone from all the other instances. And now it just comes back to being a normal extrusion. So that's effectively the power of the block tool. So you can also export them and import them. So if you had the chair, you might import it from a file. But once you've got this, I can also explode a block back into its constituent objects, whatever they may be. And a block can have curves in it. So if I have a curve, a line, I've got a box already, and then a plane. So I've got a whole bunch of things. I can make a block containing that, make that the base point, and that can be just some things. And now that's a block. Okay, so a block doesn't really care what it is. It's not really geometry in that point, but you will come across block instances a fair bit, especially when you're dealing with architectural, importing things from other architectural software. Block instancing is used a lot to save on space and to make things run faster. So that's all for this video. So just remember, if you're doing a really repeated element, block instancing can be your friend. See you in the next video.